Good evening, TT Silmar fans. What you're looking at right now are two of my current Maisto TT scale conversions that I've done. Actually, I've done three of them so far, but here's two of them. The first one here is a Burlington Route caboose. The second is a Burlington Route tender that is basically on a custom-built chassis that I built for it, coupled to an HP Products 060. The engine itself is just a stock 060. It has been repainted. The tender itself, it consists of basswood, a brass sheet on the bottom of it to connect to a pair of HP Products trucks. And a solder wire has been run from the engine to the tender to allow for electrical continuity. On the layout today, besides Tasha, is my Possum Fly Models Plymouth 2500 with a small consist. And on the outer loop, my MTB SW Burlington Northern SA12 with a lash up of hopper cars and a Maisto caboose that has been modified for TT scale. Well, enough yakking, let's run some trains. I really love that Gandy Dancer caboose, how it matches the Plymouth for size and proportion roughly. Well, I believe it's a Gandy Dancer caboose. Anywho, I enjoy it. And I'm not a rivet counter, so there you go. For more on TT scale, please visit ttnut.com. That's www.ttnut.com. And also, if you go on Facebook, there's also the TT Scale Asylum. Thank you and have a good night. Bye.